Hello and welcome to the second video in our MT5 mobile series. In this video, you'll learn how to place your first trade and how to manage your risk using stop loss and take profit levels. Let's start by selecting a symbol from your quote screen. Tap on any instrument, then select New Order. This opens the order panel where you can choose between a market order or a pending order. Let's begin with a market order. You can choose to buy or sell, depending on your market view. First, set your lot size. This is the volume you want to trade. Now it's time to manage your risk and protect your capital. Below the volume, you'll see two fields: stop loss and take profit. Tap each one to set your price levels. These tools help lock in profits or limit losses automatically, so you don't have to constantly monitor the screen for sudden, unexpected market shifts. Once everything looks good, tap either Sell or Buy to execute the order. In MT5, you have the option to use a pending order, which is an instruction to open a trade at a specific price level in the future, rather than at the current market rate. It allows traders to plan entries in advance and have trades automatically triggered when market conditions meet their predefined criteria. To set a pending order, switch from Market Execution to Pending Order in the Order Type drop-down. You can choose from options like Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, or Sell Stop, depending on how you want to enter the market. For those of you who aren't familiar with pending orders, here's what those different orders mean in practice. Buy limit. A pending order to buy below the current market price, expecting the price to fall before rising. Sell limit. A pending order to sell above the current price, expecting the price to rise before dropping. Buy stop. A pending order to buy above the current price, expecting upward momentum to continue. And sell stop. A pending order to sell below the current price, anticipating a breakdown to lower levels. Set your entry price, lot size, stop loss, and take profit the same way. Then tap Place. You may have heard of expert advisors or trading signals. These are desktop features that allow for automation and facilitate advanced strategies. While they're not available on mobile just yet, they're worth exploring if you use MT5 across devices. And that's it. You've just placed your first trade on MT5 Mobile with risk management tools to help protect your capital. In the next video, we'll explore charts and show you how to customize and trade directly from them.